When you think of buying something on Amazon, an actual house might not come to mind. However, the online marketplace has evolved to the point where you can purchase a livable tiny house, not just house plans, often with free shipping. If you're looking to buy a tiny house online, especially on Amazon, we've got you covered. While not all options are suitable for year-round living, many can function as beach cottages, garden sheds, or pool houses. Many of these tiny houses can be outfitted with insulation and electricity, allowing you to fully embrace tiny living. Building your own tiny house is also an option, but it requires a significant amount of time and commitment that you may not have. Most of these tiny homes require some assembly, but constructing one from scratch is a much bigger project, which makes buying one the better options. In this guide, we present the best tiny houses available to buy online. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Richmond Barn Kit. To make this barn-style home livable, you'll need to add plumbing and a bathroom, but the effort is worth it for this two-floor beauty. The Richmond DIY Storage Kit offers plenty of space for storage, a workshop, or a backyard retreat. This is not a pole building. It features 2x4 construction studs spaced 16 inches on center and 2x6 trusses spaced 24 inches on center. The first floor provides 7 feet 5 inches of headroom to the bottom of the 2x8 floor joists, while the loft area has 7 feet 1 inch of headroom at the center. Both floors offer unobstructed space, allowing you to maximize the area as you see fit. During construction, you can add interior walls wherever you choose. The Richmond is sold without doors, windows, or stairs, so you can select the type, style, and quantity you prefer, allowing you to customize your new cabin or workshop. You can order the optional stair package or purchase stairs locally in the style you desire. The kit's primary materials are wood and resin, with a wood base and top material type. It is brown in color, though its water resistance level is not specified. This flexibility and customization make the Richmond Barn Kit a versatile and appealing choice for those looking to create a personalized space. Number 4. Lifetime Outdoor Storage Shed with Shutters. While primarily a shed, the Lifetime Outdoor Storage Shed with Shutters offers a cost-effective alternative to pricier tiny homes, with several amenities that could make it comfortable for living. Priced at $2,351 on Amazon, this shed features shatterproof windows, corner shelves, steel wall supports, and a high-pitched roof. The locking doors are reinforced with steel for added security. This storage shed includes 6 small skylights, 2 shatterproof polycarbonate windows, 2 screen vents, 2 decorative shutters, 2 peg strips, 2 90-inch by 9-inch shelves, and 4 corner shelves. Its exterior dimensions are 15 feet wide, 8 feet deep, and 7 feet 10.8 inches high, while the interior dimensions are 90 inches wide, 174 inches deep, and 70 to 94 inches high. Constructed from low-maintenance dual-wall UV-protected high-density polyethylene with steel wall supports, this shed is designed to withstand the elements. Heavy-duty steel trusses provide additional roof strength, and the high-pitched roof ensures quick drainage of rain and snow. The shed may ship in multiple boxes and could arrive separately. It is backed by a 10-year limited manufacturer warranty, further ensuring its durability and reliability. The attractive appearance and practical design make the Lifetime Outdoor Storage Shed a versatile option for those seeking an affordable and functional space. Number 3. Best Barn's Newcastle 12x16 Wood Shed Kit. The Newcastle Wood Shed Kit offers an attractive solution for all your storage needs. This spacious shed is perfect for storing tools, household items, and lawn and garden equipment. Its 5 feet 4 inch wide door opening is large enough to accommodate a riding mower or four-wheeler, while the offset doors create a significant storage area on one side. Note that the homeowner must provide the flooring and shingles. The building is shown with 4 optional single-hung windows with shutters. The sidewall height of the shed is 6 feet 4 inches, with an interior height of 7 feet 2 inch. The barn-style door measures 5 feet 4 inch wide by 6 feet high. The floor dimensions are 15 feet 9 inch by 12 feet. The shed features a sturdy built truss system capable of handling a 40-pound snow load and 120 miles per hour wind load. The pre-primed siding is made of 3/8 inch LP SmartSide exterior paneling. The kit includes all required hardware, door hinges, latch, nails, hurricane hangers, glue for gussets, and a detailed instruction manual. The roof shingles and roof edge must be provided by the owner. The roof trusses are pre-cut for fast and accurate assembly. The shed uses premium grade 2x4 imported from Sweden, with wall studs placed 24-inch. The kit also includes pre-cut wall framing, pre-cut siding, and pre-cut roof sheathing, making assembly straightforward and efficient. Number 2. Outdoor Living Today Penthouse Garden Shed. This 9x9 shed might not be big enough to be considered a full living space, but it adds plenty of character to your backyard when used as a shed or studio space. The double doors, cedar shingle roof, and hexagonal frame give it a charming look. As a pool house or deluxe garden shed, the 9 ft by 9 Fort Penthouse Garden Shed will enhance any garden with its unique 5-sided design, making it perfect for corners and a great space saver. The assembled dimensions are 172-inch width by 129-inch depth by 110-inch height, with a floor footprint of 157-inch width by 118-inch depth. Constructed from Western red cedar, it offers durability, strength, and beauty. With a storage capacity of 467 cubic feet, it's large enough to store most of your supplies. The pre-cut assembly pieces eliminate the need for time-consuming and dangerous cutting. The floor is included, featuring 2 feet by 4 feet cedar joists and floor runners and 5/8-inch thick pre-cut plywood. The panelized wall and roof design include OLT's proprietary cedar lap siding and shingles, with roof panels pre-attached with Western red cedar shingles for easy assembly. The 52-inch wide French doors add functionality and charm, complemented by 2 functional aluminum windows measuring 18-inch by 23-inch with screens and locks. 2 flower boxes under the windows add extra charm. The kit does not include foundation material, so it's recommended to prepare your foundation before the shed's arrival. Assembly time is approximately 2 to 3 days for 2 people, depending on their experience level. The product ships unstained, allowing for a personalized finish, and is made entirely from renewable resources for environmental friendliness. Number 1. Handy Home Products Palisade. This 12x8 tiny home is versatile and ideal for various uses, though it shines brightest as a pool house or garden shed. Featuring sliding barn doors, it's perfect for entertaining, especially with a bar along one wall and a deck like the one shown to accentuate open-air living. The Palisade offers a 60-inch wide door opening with sliding barn-style double doors. Its modern, studio-style design includes 6 feet, 4-inch high sidewalls, and a 9-foot peak. It comes with a complete wood floor framing, and wood floor decking. The factory-primed siding is ready for painting, but the paint's sold separately. With a storage capacity of 630 cubic feet, it offers ample space for storage, a creative workspace, or a lifestyle-inspired sanctuary. Included are 4 over-door transom windows, allowing for natural light and ventilation. You can personalize your Palisade studio shed with your choice of paint and shingles, both sold separately. The product is backed by a 10-year limited material warranty. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.